Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to access NameCheap cPanel. So let's get started. There are two methods that we can use to access NameCheap cPanel. The first one is through the details that we have received on our email when we have purchased the NameCheap hosting, and the second one is through the NameCheap dashboard. So at first we are going to log in to cPanel using the details that we have received on our email. In the search bar, enter your domain name /cPanel and hit enter. You will be redirected to the login page. Here you need to enter your username and password that you have received on your email. After entering your username and password, click on login and you will be redirected to the cPanel. So this is how you can access NameCheap cPanel from the details that you have received on your email. And now we are going to see how we can access NameCheap cPanel through NameCheap Dashboard. Go to namecheap.com and click on account button and you will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username and password and click on sign in to continue. From the NameCheap dashboard, click on hosting list button. And here you will see all your hosting subscriptions. Next to your hosting subscription, you will see a button go to cPanel. Just click on it and you will be redirected to your cPanel account. So this is how you can access your NameCheap cPanel through NameCheap dashboard. Thank you so much for watching the video.